What's up everyone? So, mag-gym tayo ngayon since this is the usually thing na ginagawa ko bago talaga ako mag-duty. And siguro mamaya magtatambay rin tayo sa may coffee shop doon. So, let's go! So actually guys, yung gym talaga sobrang lapit lang. Like 10 to 15 minutes walk lang from our house. Actually, dyan na lang siya. Sobrang lapit. Doon na lang banda. And then yung gym din, malapit kung saan ako nag-aral. Nung elementary ako, yeah. That school is siya, private school, and dati sponsored siya sa mga Japanese. And then every year may Japanese, nagtuturo ko ng kahit ano-ano. And every week may mga free donuts, Dunkin' Donuts, and Milo. Yeah, sobrang magandang memories dyan na school na yan. Akala mo lang like normal, but when you get inside, sobrang ganda. So guys, nandito na tayo sa Star Mall. Pupunta na tayo sa Anytime Fitness, which is sa second floor. So let's go. Hi kuya. So ito yung Star Mall dito. Konti lang yung stores. Like there's a Coffee Project, Chowking, and some stuffs. And sa labas ito may Jollibee. I need to buy a coffee pa pala. So let's go back. Ngayon, we will buy a coffee here lang sa not Coffee Project, Pick Up Coffee. Mamaya tayo mag-Coffee Project kasi may gagawin tayo, di ba? Ay ate, o saan niya ka Americano ate? Ice, yeah.
Size sir?
No, regular lang. Thank you.
No sugar?
No sugar, yeah. So here's your coffee. Alam niyo ba dati? Dito ako dumadaan dati. Nung may supermarket pa dyan. Pero nung nag-close na, doon na talaga sa harap. Kasi paminsan may binibili ako dito. And diretso dyan. Kaya doon ako dumadaan. So tara, let's go to the gym.
Ayan lang yung straight. Para sa squeeze.
Ay, saka bro. Amping. So guys, we're done and we're going home. Not home pala, we're going to the coffee shop kasi may gagawin tayong work. And yung itinerary natin, gagawin natin para sa ating trip. And yeah, let's go to the Coffee Project. Medyo maingay kasi may program ng teachers. Let's go inside. Okay, thank you. So we're going home. Bye-bye Coffee Project. So guys, It's time to go home since my work pa tayo by 8 p.m. It's already 6:30 p.m. I think. So let's go now. Goodbye guys and see you in the next vlog.